Dear students, hope you are fine, enjoying the good health. As you know that we are learning one important part of microeconomics, that is costs. And today we will learn about marginal cost. What is the marginal cost of any commodity? What is the marginal cost of any service? How it is calculated? Since this marginal cost, this is having great importance in microeconomics in particular and in economics, in general economics also. Now first we will come to know about the meaning of marginal cost. इसकी जो डेफिनेशन है इन सिंपल वर्ड्स वो ये है, इट इज एडिशन टू टोटल कॉस्ट when one more unit of output is produced. Or we can say when one more unit of commodity or service is produced. Marginal cost ये एडिशन होता है टोटल कॉस्ट को जब प्रोड्यूसर एक एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट, एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करता है. In short, we can write it as it is additional cost of producing additional unit of output. ये एडिशनल कॉस्ट होता है जब एडिशनल यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस एडिशनल यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट. Or we can also say it is extra cost when extra unit of output is produced. Extra unit of commodity or service is produced. The cost of producing that extra unit of any commodity or any service is known as marginal cost. It is change in total cost when there is change in level of output. The formula for calculating marginal cost of any commodity or any service is given here as symbolically. First we will write symbolically the marginal cost of any commodity, marginal cost of any service as total change in total cost, where MC is marginal cost, TC is total cost, and del shows change in total cost as a result of change in units of output, as a result of change in level of output. Q is quantity of commodity or service produced or level of output, where del shows change in level of output, and it is obtained with the help of this formula. Marginal cost of nth unit of any commodity or service is equal to total cost of n units produced minus total cost of n minus 1 unit of commodity or service produced. यह है फॉर्मूला जिसके हेल्प से हम marginal cost of any commodity या marginal cost of any service कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Now we will take some numerical example to calculate marginal cost. In the first column, we will take the units of any commodity or units of any service produced by any producer or firm. Suppose that is denoted by X. X is any commodity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will take up to 5 units of X commodity. In the next column, we will take the total cost of producing these units of commodity X, which is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. This we have already learned in one of our previous lectures. Hope you have remembered this. And in the last column, we will calculate the marginal cost of commodity X, FC, which is obtained with the help of this formula: total cost of n minus total cost of n minus 1. Now, taking different values of total cost measured in monetary units such as in rupee, suppose where 0 unit of output X is there, the total cost is equal to 12 rupees. This 12 rupees, as you know that this is the cost of fixed in the form of fixed cost. This asterisk sign in the footnote of this table, it will be cleared that this 12 rupees, it is total fixed cost, value of total fixed cost. Total fixed cost, that is cost in the form of capital, that is machinery, which remains fixed in supply in the short run, and whether level of output is 0 or any unit, this remains fixed. Or cost of building, commercial building, because before producing any unit of any commodity, we need a building. A producer needs a building, he needs a capital machinery. Therefore, before producing any unit, he has to incur some cost in the form of fixed cost. That is why when there is no units of X commodity produced, still there is cost in the form of fixed cost, that is cost of machinery, capital, or cost of building. And variable cost will be 0, because variable cost, that will change the change in level of output, that's cost of labor, cost of raw material. When no unit of output is produced, means no units of labor is used, no raw material is used, therefore there is 0 total variable cost. This is only fixed cost equal to 12 rupees. Then when the increase in the units of commodity X produced, the total cost will increase, because there will be this fixed cost, it will remain same, but there will be change in total variable cost, because change in the units of labor, change in the quantity of raw material, which will change the cost of producer. Suppose it is 22 when 1 unit is produced, and for others it is equal to 30, then 42, 60, and suppose for this level of output, then 1 points of output is produced, it is 80 rupees. Now marginal cost for this, when no units of output is produced, it will remain blank. and 1 unit of output is produced, total cost is 22 rupees. That is total cost of n unit, the current unit, that is 1 unit. And total cost of n minus 1, n is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. That is total cost is equal to 12. Total cost of n minus 1, it will be equal to 10. 22 minus 12 equal to 10. Similarly, the total cost of n units, that is 2 units of output x is produced, total cost is 30 rupees. And total cost of n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. The first unit, the total cost is equal to 22. It will be equal to 8. 30 minus 22, it will be equal to 8 rupees. Similarly, total cost of n units, that now the current unit is 3 units. Its total cost is 42. And n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. That is total cost of 2 units, that is equal to 30. It will be equal to 12. And then total cost when 4 units of output is produced, that is total cost of n current unit, that's 4 units. It is equal to 60 rupees minus total cost of n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, that is 3 units. Its total cost is 42, and it will be equal to 60 minus 42, it will be equal to 18 rupees. Additional cost of producing additional unit, that is 4th unit. And when last unit of output is produced, the current level of output, that is total cost of n, that is 5 units, its total cost is 80 rupees. And total cost of n minus 1, that is 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. When our level of output is 4 units, total cost is 60. 80 minus 60, it is equal to 20. Therefore, producing extra unit of output, that is from 4 to 5, that is additional unit is by 1 unit, that is 5th unit. The marginal cost of producing this extra unit, that is 5th unit, it is equal to 20 rupees. This is how marginal cost of any commodity, marginal cost of any service is calculated. Now we can show these data, these values in the form of graph, that is marginal cost curve. As you know that on y-axis, or we can say on vertical axis, we take the value of cost. Here we have to show marginal cost, not total cost. Therefore, we will take the value of marginal cost on y-axis, or we can say on vertical axis. And on horizontal axis, or we can say on x-axis, we take the units of output produced, units quantity of commodity produced, that is units of commodity x, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the value of marginal cost, the lowest one is 10 and the highest one is 20. We will start from 5, 10, 15 and 20. When level of output is 1 unit, when 1 unit of commodity X is produced, the marginal cost is 10. This one, this point shows marginal cost equal to 10 rupees and units of output produced, that the level of output is equal to 1 unit. When 2 units of output is produced, the marginal cost of this second unit or producing additional unit, it is equal to 8 rupees. it will be here below this 10. This point, this shows marginal cost equal to 8. And then marginal cost is 12. When one more unit of output is produced, that is third unit, 12, it will be here. Here it will be 12. Showing marginal cost equal to 12 and level of output, that is 3. Then marginal cost is 18 of producing this additional unit, that is fourth unit of commodity X. 18, it will be here. And it is the fourth unit on horizontal axis, showing the units of commodity X, quantity of commodity X produced, and then it reaches to 20 when one more unit of output is produced, that is fifth unit. 20 is here. Now these are the pointers. Suppose point A, B, C, D and point E. Now joining these pointers, we will get a curve known as marginal cost curve. These pointers. This is marginal cost curve. This one, which initially decreases with the increase in level of output and reaches to a certain level of output, beyond that it starts rising, starts increasing. This is that is after second unit. When it reaches to third unit, it starts rising. This up to 2 units, it starts decreasing 10 to 8. Then it starts rising after this level of output. After this level of output, that is 2 units, it starts rising to 12, 18 and 20, and shown in this graph, in this curve, by these pointers C, D and E. That is the rising part of this marginal cost curve. In this way, we obtain a marginal cost curve. Now we can rub these dotted lines because these are drawn to make it simple. This is the final shape of marginal cost curve, which is the locus of pointers showing different values of marginal cost and at different levels of output. The important point in this topic is that initially marginal cost, it decreases with the increase in level of output and reaches to a level of particular level of output. Beyond that, it starts rising. This is the rising part of this marginal cost curve, and this marginal cost, as you know, it is the addition to total cost when one more unit of output is produced, or it is additional cost of producing additional unit of output, or in other words we can say it is extra cost when extra unit of output is produced. Hope you have understood it. Thanks.